Swaminarayan, myself Kumudini Nalaude, Atmi Green School, Standards 5th, subject Maths. It's our last chapter of PT3, right? Area and volume. So that's why if we completed this, we have completed our revision. Okay, so do revision properly. Now it is only for MCQs, so you can score maximum. Okay, so let's start area and volume. In the warm up or recall exercise, we see about the perimeter. So what is perimeter? The perimeter of a plane figure is the distance around it. Now suppose if we are thinking about this triangle, then the perimeter of triangle means the sum of the sides of triangle. That means 5 plus 7 plus 8.5. See here, it is equal to 20.5 centimeter. Okay, if we are taking the perimeter of this diagram, so it is a rectangle, right? So in rectangle, opposite sides are equal. So if it is 8, then this side is also 8. It is 65, then it is also 65, right? So the perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 multiplied by length and breadth. This is the 8 is the length and 6.5 is the breadth. So it is 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. So it's equal to 2 multiplied by 8.0 plus 6.5. That is 8 plus 6 14.5 multiplied by 2 we get 29 centimeter. Get it? Now the last figure is of square. So in square all sides are equal, all angles are right angles. Now if we want to calculate the perimeter of this square, then it is equal to 4 into side, that is 4 multiplied by 5 into 5, it is 22 centimeter. Clear everyone? Now we see our next concept, that is area. So what is the definition of area? The amount of surface a plane closed figure covers is called its area. Okay, I will repeat again. The amount of surface a plane closed figure covers is called its area. डेफिनेशन या तो ट्रू फॉल्स में या फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स में एमसीक्यूज में मैं पूछ सकती हूँ. तो सारी डेफिनेशन और फॉर्मूलेज आपको याद होने चाहिए अच्छे से. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द नेक्स्ट. So now we see the definition of unit area. Okay, so see here, if the given figure, if it is a square and each side is 1 centimeter, then area of this square is equal to 1 square centimeter, right? So see, 1 cm is the standard unit of area. Okay, 1 centimeter square. Okay, now in the recall exercise we find out the area with the help of this square centimeter, right? So 1 square indicate 1 square centimeter, right? So let's calculate the area of this E, green E. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11. Get it? Let's calculate this one. We'll start from here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9 and so on. We can calculate these areas also. Okay, these are the full squares, right? It means the color or we can say the figure covers all complete square. But if the square is not completed, or we can say it is not complete 1 square, it is maybe half square. So how can we calculate? So let's see. If there is half square is colored, or we can say figure covers half square, then we have to calculate as half. Okay, so see here, these shapes consist full squares and half square. To find out the area, count 2 full half square as 1 square centimeter. Okay, so let's calculate. See here, half and half 1, half and half 1, it becomes 2, and this half and half it becomes 3. Get it? Now see here, half, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and this half 6. Okay. Now see here, this is 1 and half 2. Okay. And now see here, 1, 2, 3 and half 4. Get it? Now let's calculate the area of these figures. See, this is less than half, so it will not calculate it. Okay. So yes, there is one more rule. If it is less than half, then don't calculate it. It is more than half, then we have to calculate it as a 1. So let's start. This is less than half, so don't calculate it. It is more than half, so it is 1, 2, 3, 4 and this is less than half, so don't calculate it. So it is 4. So let's calculate here. 1, 2, it is not calculated. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and this we will not calculated. Similarly this and this we not calculated. Okay. So see here, 1, 2, 3 and 4 are the full square and this dot shows the more than half square. So we have calculated that is as a 1. Clear? Now next, it is, but it gives the area but it is not exact, it is approximate area. Get it? Now this is the figures which are made up of straight lines. If it is an irregular shape, so how can we calculate the area? So see here, with the help of square grid, we can calculate the area of the irregular shape. So how? Let's see. See here. Same method we have to follow. If it is less than half, don't calculate. It is more than half, calculate it as a 1. If it is half, calculate it as a half. And it is full, then you have to calculate it as a 1. Okay. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It is 13 centimeter. Get it? Okay. Now let's see these diagrams. Okay. So we will calculate just 4 and third one. Okay. So this half and half, it's become 1. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, half and half, 8. Get it? Here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, more than half, right? 13, 14 and this is it is half. No, it is not half, so don't calculate it. Okay, it is not half, it is less than half, both are less than half, so it is not, it will not be calculated. So it is 14 centimeter. Get it? So let's start the finding the area of irregular shape in question B. Okay, we will do the second one only. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4. See, which is less than half is not calculated. I am first of all I will show you the figures which are less than half. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, then this is, can you see this one, this smaller one, okay, and this one. So we will not calculate this. Okay, now so let's calculate 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, this one 11, 12 and 13. Okay, let's calculate the third one also. So first of all I will show which part will not calculated. Okay, this one, same.